So the first part here, the cuboid has 6 faces. All right, now you can see the front face and the back face. So the front and back faces. Then you have, as you can see now, the top face, and you've got the bottom face. Then of course you've got the 2 end faces. Let's have a look at the 2 end faces, the one on the left and the one on the right. So what we're saying here is the top and bottom faces are the same, as you can see, and the front and back faces are also the same, and the two end faces are the same. Now, the other thing you need to understand is that it has 12 edges, 4 lengths, 4 heights, and 4 widths, and it also has 8 vertices. The vertices are these corners, as you can see, and there are 8 of them. So let's have a look at now this net diagram here of the cuboid. So you can see this is your bottom in black, and that is your back, that's your front and your top, and you got these 2 end pieces. We've also indicated the length here, and this apparently is the height, and that also is, that length is the height. It also shown the height here. So the next slide we'll look at the cube again now, and the length and your width and the height are shown there. And then you move on, as you said, the length is highlighted, the height, length, height, and the width. And then you have this area of the front and the back faces as twice length times width, and the area of the top and bottom as again twice length and width, and the area of the sides is twice length and width and height. Now, so that is the rule for finding the total surface area then. So it's length times width plus length times width plus width times height, and you double it. Now the next slide, what we're trying to do is put values to all the length. So we call, let's assume length is 5 centimeters, height is 3, and your width is 4. So this is the rule again. So now total surface area is 2 times, I put the rule here at the top. Let's put the values in now, and the values as is 5 times 3. All right, that's 5 times 3. This is 5 times 4, and that's 4 times 3. And remember, you have to double it, and this is it, twice, 15 plus 20 plus 12, and that's 2 times 47, which gives you 94 square centimeters. So the total surface area of this cube is 94 centimeters square. Now, to recap, as you know, the front and the back are the same, the top and bottom are the same, and the 2 sides are the same. So let's look at the cube now, the total surface area of a cube, right? And a cube has 6 equal faces. All the edges have the same length. Each face forms a square. A cube has 12 edges and 12 vertices, same as a cuboid. Now, and each of the sides, the area of each side is length times the width. Now, as you can see, all these sides are equal. So I'll call it length and width. We can call it side times side. And the total surface area is 6 times the length square. And the reason we put length square because all the sides are equal. So the area, total surface area of a cube is 6 times the side square or length square. Now, what we're going to do now is look at the net shape here, and you can see on your left that the net that's shown there is folding into a cube. And so we'll move on to giving values now to each of the sides. So we take a value of 5, so each of the sides is 5, and so the area will be 6 times the length square. And you can see each side is 5 centimeters, area of each side is length times width, which is 5 times 5, and that's 25 square centimeters. So Area of 6 sides, 6 times length times width is 6 times 25 in this case, which is 150 square centimeters. So the total surface area of a cube is straightforward, and that's the end of the video. Thank you.